Alright, so here's my 2007 ZX10R. This is going to be with the factory lead battery. It's going to be the startup. So, not horrible, battery works, but today, for weight saving purposes, we're going to be putting in this anti-gravity lithium ion. It's going to be like 5 times the cranking amps of what your original lead battery is going to be, so we'll install this. I'm not going to show you guys how to install a battery. You guys should already know how to do that. But we'll get this in, we'll restart it and see if it actually does start a little bit easier. So we've got the lead acid out. It's 180 cold cranking amps. So with this one, you're going to be about 3.5 times roughly the cranking amps. And there's a huge weight difference. I mean, anything on a motorcycle, any type of weight you can shed, of course, is going to help you out in the long run. So let's get this one installed and we'll be back. All right, so it's all back together. Much faster. Not a lot of hesitation. Fires right up. We're ready to go. You guys take care, ride safe.